Let me show you how we can disable TalkBack on a Nothing Phone 3A. So first thing that you need to know is that you can navigate on a TalkBack by using left and right gestures. So you can swipe all the time in order to select the next option, or swipe to the left to select the previous option. And you can go through different pages or scroll up or down by using two fingers instead of just one. So whatever you do with one finger in terms of swiping, you need to do with two fingers. So we want to go to the app drawer, so what you can do is swipe up with two fingers in the home screen, and then you need to go to settings. So once again, use two fingers in order to swipe down, or actually swipe up to scroll down. Tap on settings once and then double tap. So you can select anything from the screen by tapping once and then double tapping. So in the settings, you want to scroll down with two fingers, of course, select accessibility by tapping once and then double tap. Then tap on TalkBack and double tap, tap on TalkBack, switch over here and then double tap, and then tap on turn off and double tap. And that's pretty much it. Now TalkBack is disabled, and once again you can use just one finger in order to navigate. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!